Hi kids. The story I'm going to read aloud is called Nellie's Big Splash. So I'm doing two today that have to do with the ocean. This is by Cori Doerrfeld. Look at all those turtles. Pretty cute. Of course, I thought the crab story was pretty cute too. From the moment she hatched, Nellie felt so small. She had many steps to take and such a long way to go. But nothing felt bigger or more impossible to face. Then the waves crash. So, even though Nellie wanted to go into the sea with all the other turtles, she hid instead. Maybe when she was ready to come out, things would feel easier. Crash! But they were just as scary. Nellie ran from the waves, swishing her flippers at full speed. Maybe if she just ran far enough, she could rest until everything calmed down. Crash! But it only got worse. And that's something Nellie has to worry about right there. Nellie jumped away at the last minute. She landed near someone who looked much bigger and braver than she did. Maybe with them to protect her from her... Maybe with them to protect her from the waves, Nellie's worries would be over at last. Crash! But with each wave, crash, her fears only grew. Desperate to feel safe, Nellie climbed up and up and up. Maybe if she went as high as possible, finally she could leave all her troubles behind. But even though the waves couldn't reach her, Nellie didn't feel any better. She was cold, lonely, and missed the other turtles more than ever. She knew there was only one way home. Crash! Slowly, Nellie crept to the edge. For the first time, she saw beyond the waves. It was exciting, beautiful, and so much bigger than the parts that were scary. Nellie realized the last step she had to take. It felt like a long way to go, but maybe if she looked inside herself, she could also find something bigger than any of her fears. She made the courage to make it through. Splash! My phone has been getting blurry this afternoon. I'm not really sure why. And that is actually the end of the story. So she finally got the courage to jump into the water, and there were all the other turtles swimming around. She looks happy now, doesn't she? I hope that you kids did like this story. The ending to me was a little short, but it was still cute. God bless you, children.